Hi dear students. So we're creating a hanging woven object in Blender. The two things we're going to be looking at is making a solid shape, look like a wave or an edge, and then we are going to be using physics to make it hang from a specific point using cloth simulation. So we're going to be creating a wave structure first. Instead of modeling every single thread, we're going to use modifiers to fake the geometry. So we're going to start by maybe deleting this cube, and then we have this plane. Or if you want, we can just delete this too, and then Shift A and add a plane. Then we're going to be scaling it. Then we're going to go to tab, edit mode, and we are going to be adding subdivision. At this point, if you do not have a mouse, which you are recommended to have, and it's necessary, you can double click on the right click and you will get subdivisions, get this window, or you can just right click and you'll get the subdivisions. Then the little menu on the bottom is going to open, and we want to add 30 or 40 number of cuts. So I'm going to go for the higher number, 40. And it creates the grids for the weave. So turning the weave or the net, we're going to go to the modifier. And then we're going to go to the wireframe. Scroll down all the way to the wireframe. And as a result, you look like a net, like an open weave. And we can adjust the thickness, the sliders to make the threads thicker and thinner. And if this is just optional, if you want to make it look smoother, add subdivision surfaces modifier after the wireframe modifier if you want to make it smoother, but for this case we're not. Well, the next part is like making a hang, the pinning trick. So now you need to tell Blender which part of the weave it's glued to the wall / hanger and which part should fall. So we are going to create a pin group, and so we're gonna go to edit mode, and from here we're gonna only select the vertices, the dots that you want to hang. For example, you can, let's say you want the top row to be hanging. Let's say you got a tapestry you have for decorative purposes, or you have a piece of garment. Let's say you want to hang a kimono, or you want to hang this cloth or textile that you have created. So for instance, I'm just gonna select the vertices, just a few of them. So I'm gonna zoom in, and since our cursor is right in the middle, maybe I'm just gonna select some vertices by clicking Shift. Just gonna select this ones here. That should be enough, I think. And then we are going to go to the object data properties on the green triangle icon on the right side, which is here. I'm gonna drag this a little bit. We're clicking here, and then we're gonna go under the vertex group right on here, and then we're gonna right click on this button, and we are gonna give it a name. We can give it a name hanger or hanging, and then we're gonna assign these vertices into this hanger group, and we click assign. So from here, then we're gonna go to add cloth physics to this. So we're gonna go to the physics property, which is this one here, the blue planet icon, and then we're gonna go to So clicking here, and then we're gonna click on cloth. Yeah, then we're gonna scroll down all the way to shape, the shape section. So you want to scroll down and it should be here, and then you're gonna find the pin group, which is what we renamed from group to hanger, by clicking here, and it should appear. And then we are going to minimize this a little bit. We're gonna go to object mode, and then we're gonna zoom out a little bit, maybe this way so you can see it, and then we're gonna press play in our spacebar. You're gonna see it being hanging from that point that you selected, those vertices. We could also add some color to it. Okay, make this bit bigger, maybe some dark blue. Then we could go to render, and you could see your cloth. Yeah, looks pretty cool. So at this point again, we are back into after the wireframe, and we're in edit mode. But if you click tab or change to object mode, you'll see that the wireframe sort of created like the net. Yeah, so we're just gonna go back to edit mode, and then we're gonna select the vertices that we want. Again, I think at this point I want this vertices to be the one, so I just click there, and then I'm gonna press Control on my keyboard, and then press the last vertices. And at this point, I like these vertices to be the one that are gonna be holding on to, that I want to be hang, yeah, from the top, like so. I picked the top road, and then in here we're gonna go to the object data properties, and we're gonna go under vertex group, and we're gonna go and click on the plus button. We're gonna give this a name. Again, like say hanging tapestry, for example. And then I'm gonna assign it. Click assign. Then from this moment, we're gonna go to the physics, which is the blue planet icon, and we're gonna click on cloth. From there, we're gonna find our pin, which we need to find shape first down here, and we're gonna find the pin. So I put tapestry, hanging tapestry, and from here on it looks good. Yeah, and like say if I wanted to give this a color, you can give it a color, but for now on we're just gonna go to object mode. Yeah, and then from here I'm just gonna place it this way so you can see I have added a HDRI, a high dynamic range imaging in the back. And like say if I want the light, but I don't want the background to be exposed like this, so we can just go here and click it so we don't have to see it. And then we could just press play. That way we can see, and have changed the texture to cotton, and we can see how it hangs